I started the movement with the room transformations after I went to Get Your Teach On conference. I went 2 times last year, one in DC and one in California, the national conference. And it's all about engagement, setting the stage to engage, getting kids excited to come to school rather than having to come to school. So once I got back from the national conference, we did, there was a kickoff for Rock Your School, and so the whole school did transformations of music themed, so that kind of started it all. And then it kept going once we did the book study on the wild card. They have loved it. I actually have never had a student come up to me and thank me for teaching until I did my Glow Day. And I had multiple kids come up and just say, thank you so much for doing this. It was so much fun. And I had multiple parents actually email me and say their kids came home gushing about math, and they've never come home gushing about math. So it's been a great thing to do, and it just makes me want to do it more because I know how excited they are doing it.
We are doing a diner room transformation. We are talking about matter, reviewing the 3 states of matter by building root beer floats. We are doing a how-to writing on how to actually build a root beer float, and then we're reviewing some rounding skills with a task card hunt around the room. Classroom transformations, really, it's all about setting the stage to engage. You want your kids to really enjoy school, to want to come to school, and if they're having these little experiences like this once in a while, they're going to be excited to come to school every day and excited to learn. And if they're excited to learn, then they actually retain the information that you're teaching. A classroom transformation can be really simple, or it can be way more intense. It can be something as simple as keeping your lights off and having twinkly lights in your room and setting a theme for your day, or it can be something more intense like this. But really all we've done is covered the tables in some different paper. We have themed activities that go along for the whole day that all relate to whatever our classroom has been transformed into. And that really is what a classroom transformation is. They didn't know that our classroom transformation was happening last time, and their reactions when they walked through the door were mind-blowing. It was really, really cool to see their faces literally light up and be just kind of a combination of wonder and confusion at the same time, which was really great.